Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a bald spot routine video. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you will know that I had a huge bald spot on the left side of my temple. It started back in 2019 and then I recently started doing something about it in 2020. We will go over the two products that I will be using. This is the Dermaroller by Amber Gin. I will link it down below. This is the 1mm. The reason why you want to use a 1mm is because it will penetrate the skin deep enough to trigger hair growth, okay? And the next thing is going to be the Densifying Remedy Spray. So what you want to do first is you want to shampoo your hair, make sure your hair is clean, your scalp is clean, because you do not want to be pushing any bacteria into your skin with these needles, okay? So after you're done washing your hair, we are going to sanitize our Dermaroller with alcohol. You can go ahead and pour it on and then let it dry for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after it's done drying, we will take our micro roller and we will start dermarolling our scalp. So I'm going to go in one direction first, doing about 3 passes. So right now I am going to go horizontal 3 passes, working my way up throughout my troubled area, and then I'm going to take it vertical and again doing 3. You can actually do 3 to 5 passes, because I'm not gonna lie, this kind of hurts, but I mean, pain is beauty, right? I will also be linking Amber Gin's video tutorial on this because she does a fantastic job with explaining and giving also another demo on her channel as well. After I am done with the left side, I am going to do the same thing on the right side too, just to make sure that everything is equal. The right side isn't as bad as my left, but the hair is still sparse on that side, so I'm just trying to, you know, make everything even. Once you have finished, y'all, you need to sanitize that micro roller one more time. I'm going to sit it in the container that it comes with, and I'm going to just make sure that everything is nice and clean. Leave that for about a couple minutes, rinse it out, let it air dry, and then you're going to spray your Densifying Remedy Spray into your scalp, and you are done. And that is the tutorial, y'all. If you guys do try this out, take before and after pics. You will see progress, trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.